Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to cancel your Birdfy app subscription step by step guide to stop billing. So guys, if you want to cancel your Birdfy app subscription, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply, if you are using the iPhone user, so simply go to the app store, open the setting on your phone, on your iPhone and the iPad. After that guys, tap your name, Apple ID at the top, then click the option of subscription, then scroll to find and tap to Birdfy subscription to cancel your subscription. Okay, second thing is guys, Google Play Store. So guys, open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, select the payment and the subscription, then tap the option of subscriptions. Find and select the Birdfy subscription to cancel the subscription and confirm. Okay, then you also use the web browser. So if you sign up through their website, so you can manage this directly online. So first of all, go to the Birdfy web client and log in into your account, then select my subscription from the left menu and locate your active cloud services and choose the cancel option. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.